In this video, I'll show you how you can hyperlink an external PDF in Google Sheets that you can go ahead and click on and view. So this is very easy, and you can do this for any PDF file. So here inside of Google Sheets, you can see I've got a very basic table. We're going to use this as an example. I also have in my folder here a PDF file called logo feedback. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this box here with the text simple design. I'm going to link this logo feedback to this box. Now you obviously have your own use case and reason why you want to link a PDF to some text, right? Maybe you want to expand on a point or a cell, but here's how I would do it. Now you need to upload your PDF somewhere. I actually prefer to go and upload my PDF to Google Drive. So if you go to the same Google Drive that you are logged into Google Sheets, so the same account, right? You can then go to New, File, Upload, and you can then go ahead and find your PDF file. So here I've got my PDF, which I can open and upload to Google Drive. So as you can see, this is uploading in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, once that has been uploaded, we can go to My Drive, or we can go to Recent, and we can grab the link to this PDF. So here we can right-click, we can go to Share, click on Share again, and then what you can do is you can change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Then what we can do from here is copy that link. You can then head over to Google Sheets, and by the way, you can link your PDF to any file hosting service as long as you can get a link and it's publicly viewable. And then what you do is you click on the cell you want to link, you go to the link icon in the top right hand corner. You can then right click and paste in that shareable link from Google Drive. Then click apply, and then it will update, and whenever someone hovers over the link from now, they'll be able to preview it. They'll also be able to click on the PDF, and they'll be able to then preview that in Google Drive and download this PDF as well. So that is how I would do it. It's very simple, it's free, and it is easy to use.